understand, like Arjun said, hey Krishna Bhagwan, I know what you're saying, but I don't understand. Please explain it to me, because he's had the Shraddha that whatever Krishna Bhagwan is saying is the right thing. He didn't say, hey, you told me the 2-pack, now I'm going to go sit under the tree because that's what you say is better. He said, please, I'm so confused. So I think if we are confused, we go back to it and say, why I'm not understanding. Because they have already done their research, they have already come to the conclusion, I trust them. Like if I go to a doctor, I got to trust the doctor. I cannot say that, why are you doing this, why are you doing that? No, he has already done the studies, he can cure me. You know, something like that.
So auspiciousness also comes without when there's no clarity. When you are oneness with everything.
Oh, you have
You want me to read?
Yeah, Advaitam.
Advaitam, non-dual. When the superimposed ghost retires at the vision of the post, all superimpositions upon it have retired, and the one without a second, the reality of the post alone exists. The world of duality is available for our experience only in the worlds of the waking and the dream states. In the deep sleep state, there is in fact an experience of something homogeneous, only we are not aware of it at the time of experiencing it. But in the world of reality, when we enter the zone of Turiya, there the pluralistic world rolls away, and the experience of the non-dual reality alone remains as eternally true.
Let's stop here because this is a little bit heavy.
When the superimposed ghost retires.
Okay, this example is given a lot in Vedanta, and I think we need to know this example so well that if somebody shakes us up in the middle of the night and says, what is a snake and rope example, we should know exactly what it is. Then we can go forward in this. And I don't know whether you remember the snake and rope example.
Yeah, Disha doesn't know.
Yeah, so one of you explain.
Yeah, you go ahead.
I can't remember it, but if you see the rope, someone thought it's a snake, but it's actually a rope.
In reality.
So in reality, it was rope. Something like
so what happened? Suppose if you wherever you live outside you saw a rope was like this, and it was dark.
Yeah.
And you thought it was a snake. So tell me your condition. First of all, do you like snakes?
No.
We are scared of it. Isn't that?
Yeah.
Like we know that snake can harm us, right?
Right.
So then what will be your reaction?
Fear.
What else?
Run away.
And then you would want to get rid of it?
911.
Or try to kill it or call
Kill it.
911.
Exactly. Imagine.
Yeah.
But then,
On the light,
comes.
Shireen, the wise one, comes. And she brings a light. And then she shines the light on it, and all of a sudden Shireen realizes, oh my God, it's not a snake. And then you are here dancing and screaming and all. You say, come on, it's not a... And you say, no, I don't believe it. Say, come here, put the light. And then all of a sudden you realize it. So then what will be your condition once you realize?
Peaceful.
Yeah.
And then you can pick it up, you can do whatever, all that is gone.
It's gone out of your
So
body.
he's saying that this world is a superimposition upon that reality. The reality, nothing has happened. Does
They
anything
all
happen to
get agitated
the...
for
Yeah,
unnecessary.
finish this example, this, and I just didn't realize probably because...
Half an hour earlier.
Okay.
No, she has to.
Talk?
She has
All
to
about
make
the
clean.
rope and the snake.
So did you understand that example?
Yes,
So they are saying, the same time sages say that the reality is like the rope. Nothing has happened to it. It's the same. We have projected this world and we are like all messed up in our mind and we think this and that and blah, blah, blah. And, but those people who are established, they know it's a snake. I mean, it's a false snake. So they are not saying it does not appear. And suppose, okay, in this, carrying this example further, now you know it's a rope. Now you come back and again she turned the light off. And when you look outside, it still looks like a snake. And for a second you might, no, I already know. Yeah. You see now the relationship? So the people who are established in this Turiya state, they are still in the world. But they are doing natak. Okay? That we all have to do once we reach
there.
So the one without a second, they're saying, wow, what is second also? Why does the word second come in time? Because the first
No,
is,
I don't understand the one without a second.
Okay,
That's
yeah,
what we
that
are-
is.
yeah, that's what
They
we're
say
trying
that. Have you ever thought that why did they call the when we say time? What is the smallest thing of
to- we
time?
measure in seconds.
In second, we
Why
say
we-
hour, minute, second.
1/10 of a second.
Who in the world? Okay, where did they coin the word second? Why did they not say first? Why did they not say third? Why is it 10? Why second? Because its time always comes after Brahman, after that reality.
Oh,
The
really?
first is one.
Yes.
Okay.
Consciousness
So
is
the
one.
guy
First one.
who coined second
time
in
is
English
second.
knew about this.
It's a
We have done
reality
this
doesn't
before.
change.
Yeah.
I
Wow.
have to check the history. Who
Yeah.
did?
Time is one.
Right.
You know, our
Yeah.
thing is Vedas.
That's
time is
interesting.
Our Vedas
Yes,
are fantastic.
Yeah.
They got it all. They got it all.
Yeah, I see that.
So that's why the one without
Yeah.
a second.
Time comes from that Brahman. In fact, in that Brahman, there is no time.
There is no time at all.
Okay.
It's a deep sleep. We never know how much we slept.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Unless you put an alarm clock on, you don't
Yes,
know.
unless you put that, you
Yeah.
don't know. If somebody takes the clock away,
You have
and
no
then you say,
idea.
"Did I sleep?" I sometimes say, "Oh my God, I must have slept for like 2 hours," and then I see it was 5 minutes.
So
or
you're saying the
hour nap.
one without a second, when there's no, when you're in oneness, there's no second, there's no time, nothing. When you're one without
One
a second,
without a second.
then
The one
that is
consciousness,
the
there's
reality
no
that
second.
we need to have.
So he's
Need.
talking about
We
consciousness.
merge with the
and
consciousness.
Yeah,
then
Yes.
that
there's-
is
there's
one
no-
without a second.
Yeah.
So,
No time and-
Does
yeah.
anybody have? The post and ghost is identical example. It just there is a pole outside, a light pole, and in that dim light it looks like a ghost.
Yeah.
Okay.
The same thing.
Oh, the pole looks like a ghost.
Go. That's what it says. I was just looking at the example. So now let's read this and see if we understood this.
Yeah.
When the superimposed ghost is just superimposed on it.
Yeah.
It's not real. Retires
We
at the
have, we
vision
have
of the
imposed
post.
upon it, yeah. Because
Our mind has projected that.
Yes.
It's like the movie and the screen. The screen is not going nowhere. Screen is always there.
Yes.
Movie is the one. And does the movie defile the screen?
No.
It cannot. There's earthquake, there's fire, and the movie, blah blah blah. You have a little,
Yeah.
but think about that example. That's a beautiful
Correct.
example
Yeah.
too. Because there could be fire, earthquake, somebody's
Yeah.
crying, dying, whatever.
In the
and-
movie.
In the
yeah.
movie.
Did anything
But
happen
it
in the
doesn't
screen?
affect to the screen.
Because it's superimposed on it. So now you understood that meaning. When the superimposed ghost retired the vision of the post, all superimposition upon it have retired. And the one without a second, the reality of the post alone exists. Now everybody understood that example?
Yeah.
Only that exists. The world of duality is available for our experience only in the world of the waking and the dream state.
So we are in duality only when you are awake.
Yes.
Then we can realize that, or we are dreaming.
Dreaming also is duality because we are
Yeah.
seeing many things.
Yeah.
But you only said that in deep sleep we all have
Because
one.
there is an object and there is us, so there is duality.
Exactly. Exactly. So that's what it's saying.
So, in the deep
And
sleep.
then in the deep sleep state, there is in fact an experience of something homogeneous. You know the word homogeneous, one.
one.
Only we are not aware of it at that time of experiencing it. So are we aware in that time? We are not. So in the people in meditation, when they reach the Turiya state, they experience the homogeneity and they are aware of it. That's the only difference. So we are getting to that all the benefits of the sleep you get, but you are aware of it.
In the waking state, if you have that awareness of oneness.
Yeah, that's why when meditation fructifies, that's what it's supposed to be.
You connect with everything, then no one has to tell you don't hate her. When you are connected with that person, you automatically want to love that person, just like a mother and child relationship.
Oneness
When
is
you are
there.
oneness with everybody, then there is no duality.
Yeah.
It's like you.
Yeah.
in
Yeah,
different
yeah.
forms.
It's like you
Yeah,
who's
in
had
a different form.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then other example is with our own body, we feel oneness. So suppose if my one part of my body is hurting, the rest of the part starts compensating.
Yes.
You know, they're not asking, hey, should I go and do it or not?
No,
It's
no.
automatic.
It's automatic.
Automatic. And there is, when they say, oh, this part loves that part. No, there's nothing to love or not love. It's one. It's spontaneous. You know, if we understand oneness of our body, we'll understand how the saint sees. That doesn't mean they won't discipline us. That doesn't mean that. But when we see people, we get this feeling of, I like this, I don't like that, hatred and love. And they are just, hey, I love everybody. You know?
Try to cultivate that at least.
Yeah. That's we can only try, but they say practice makes somebody perfect.
Yeah, there
We
you
need
go.
another birth to do it right.
But at least we should
We
get.
can start.
Yeah.
We can start in
Who knows? If we are good students, we might get it.
Yes, of
Yeah,
course.
like you said in the beginning, life is a drama.
Yeah.
So you don't have to believe that you love the person. All you have to say is,
Okay.
you have to just
Yeah,
say
you
you
didn't
love
finish your sen-
just
paragraph.
pretending will
And the
not
experience of
help
the
you.
non-dual
Actually,
No, I think that this is what it is.
No, but when you reach that stage, you really will love the person.
Yes.
Yeah.
he's
Yeah.
right.
Because
Yeah.
it's not like you're faking it.
Right, but the
But
so you
initially
said
you can
was
start by
No,
faking
no,
it.
the reason I made
I
that-
think initially we can start by faking it.
The
and
reason
then
they
slowly,
told that
slowly,
is
actually.
it's a practice for us that how do if you know intellectually then because some people say that hey if that is if the world is all useless then why do I have to go through this trouble, Baba? That's what Arjuna asked also, right? Why do I have to go to this trouble? He's saying no, you have to take all this kachra out of your head. For that we have to do this. But he's giving you just a pointer, and somebody said, what the word natak, if we understand
Yeah,
Hindi,
not that, yeah.
Not
analyze it.
Yeah.
Nee, what is it? Separate the
Play.
word.
play.
No atak.
Not,
No.
non-attachment.
not a,
No atak. Atak mat usme. There is a word in
Get caught
Mumbai.
not a,
Don't
Yeah.
get
Yeah.
caught up.
Yeah.
okay.
That's where it is. Don't get stuck in just a natak.
Okay.
Don't get too attached.
No, but Shireen, to your
Oh,
point, that practice and all is okay, but when this thing happens, it's like you go in a dark cave and light a match. All of a sudden the light
Oh, of
comes.
course.
Oh, that
of
is
course,
Turiya.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
always
But
instant.
But she's
start
talking
off,
about
okay.
before
Below
reaching
that,
the
before
Turiya.
that.
So by the time
You have to-
that only gives you good karmas. So you stay in the heaven
I'm
for
talking
a few
before
days.
that. We
She's,
haven't
I
reached
understood
there.
where she's
Yeah.
coming from. We all are in that state. We are not in.
Yeah.
If I was in Turiya, I wouldn't be sitting in this class, and none of you will be
Not
sitting
a-
here. You will
Why
all
not? Ramakrishna was there. See, he talked to everybody.
be- Just kidding.
He was in that state.
Comparing it to
Yeah.
Ramakrishna.
Not even dhool of it.
See,
But you never know.
We are not finished the paragraph, but in the world of reality, when we enter the zone of Turiya, there the entire pluralistic world rolls away, and the experience of the non-dual duality alone remains as eternally true.
Okay. I think that we all got it. We have analyzed this now, but I just
Okay,
want
so are we going to
because
do the next paragraph or not?
that's up to you guys.
Yeah, we
I-
can
I
do.
don't mind
One
doing
more,
it.
yeah. And then we'll end.
Till the tea comes, you can.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good idea. Until she
This
comes.
is
let's
a lot
do it.
of information.
टी
Yeah,
तो
I just-
today
वो तो
आज ज्यादा हो गया।
चाय तो खाने के बाद है ना
I'm kind of done.
But she'll eat with us.
ओके ओके
Why
We'll
you
just
don't
do
want
one
her
more
to eat?
paragraph.
Yeah.
You didn't bring enough
Okay,
Should I read
yogurt.
now? You want-
Hello, ting ding ding.
Yeah.
One more paragraph.
She's coming for her
So it's
windows.
his
Yeah.
turn?
Yeah,
let
my
him
turn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I didn't
Because
read.
then he hasn't done. It's okay, I'm listening.
You want to listen, right?
No,
This
yeah.
is from here, right? After
Yeah,
having-
after having.
After having thus indicated to us the Turiya state through the language of negation and having given us some qualities, here the Rishi concludes saying that this is what is known as the Turiya. Thus, through the mantra is one of glorious definitions of reality. It does not define directly, but it has only accomplished its function through the technique of negation. Having thus negated the world of objects within ourselves, the Master points out to a state away from the waking, the dream, and the deep sleep state, and he says to his disciple, this then is the Atma, indicating Atma as an object, as it were. The Guru insists upon his disciple, and it is to be realized.
This is the most powerful word out of it.
Yeah. So it has to be there. I should read one more, right?
No, this is. I want to analyze this one because there's something
Yeah.
very important in this
Right.
one. So it is saying that finally he concludes as saying he thinks that okay, he's told whatever is to be told about it, and he says okay, this is the Atman then. But then all of a sudden he realizes Atma is not an object. So then he has to say, and it is to be realized. But I cannot show you still.
First, they negated the qualities of what is not an Atma. You cannot be God. What are the qualities?
Yeah, same thing. First he talked about all
It's
the
undescribable. It's not-
undescribable,
Unthinkable.
unthinkable, on this, all that, on it kept doing. And first it said it's not the deep sleep state, it's not the dreaming state, it's not the waking state. You know,
So Atma
none
is
of
different
that.
from all that.
Different from all that. So it kept taking him away from everything, and then he kept saying that it is undescribable, unthinkable, and all that. But he still has to teach him, right? So then he talked about Shantam, and it is peaceful, non-dual. And then he says, that's what your soul is, or Atma. Then he realized that he's still pointing to it as an object. You know, it like somebody was even saying about space. He said, space is something I cannot grasp it by any other senses. I just understand there is space. I'm not, right? When I see, can I see this space? Not really.
No, it's just there.
It's an emptiness that we see.
Yeah.
Can we smell this space? No, it's the air that we smell, not the space. You know?
Yeah.
What else is the
So
other
same
sense?
thing is
Here.
Atma, yeah.
So Atma is, so then finally he
You
says,
can't touch it.
it cannot be realized, not seen. I think that's what the point is. That's what I
So
was going to
could
say.
it be the essence of something?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Then you got it.
Yeah.
It is the essence of us.
Okay.
Sometimes as I look at it, it's the raw material from which we are made. You can look at it that way.
No, it's not the raw material, because raw material is again is object.
Yeah, if you,
It is separate from the raw material.
what I'm trying to say when she said essence, that is our source. You are, in a way, you're right, because it's a superimposition.
Yeah.
So that's why it
But
cannot
see,
be.
just
you're
like you
right.
cannot see your eye, but I can see everything.
Yes.
So Vivekanand came to Ramakrishna and he says he doesn't believe in God, this and that. And he hit him in the chest. And he wrote in his own words. He started seeing Brahman in everything for 3 days. In a chariot, in a wall, in a person, everything. And he remained in that state. So the idea is that is the state you go when you think you are one with the world. And you are not yourself. And then you are in bliss, of course.
Yeah.
And then you want that forever. So then he took the key away and he said, no, when your work is done, I'll give it back to you.
So when you're in bliss, then you're not here anymore. You're somewhere totally
But
out
they,
of this world.
the
Out of this
physical
area.
body is still here.
So
Physical
that's why the
body is
rishis
here,
are
but-
like that, no? That's why when
Yes.
you go to a really good guru, you see he's full of compassion, full of peace, and he has, he treats everybody equally.
Right.
No, but what she's saying, I know where she's coming from. See, when they show the Shiva's picture, they always show him with half eyes closed, half open. Because even though he's in the world, he is connected to that. So it's like a in-between type of state. They are like that. And we know from your own example when you were giving that when Ramakrishna used to go in Samadhi,
Right.
they had to wake him up, literally.
Yeah.
He was just gone in another state.
Right.
Right.
And they to come back to the world and to be compassionate and take care of us, they don't probably like that to come back and
But,
that move,
but
that
even
book,
if he comes
dying
back,
to be me.
his
She didn't want to come
mindset,
back.
in order to get there, you have to purify yourself to the level that you are not going to hate anybody. I mean, you are not going to.
Oh,
so
that
all
is
that
fine.
is
Yeah.
all that is already taken care of before you get to that level.
Yeah. But my point is that your body is here, but you're not.
Right. But this
Yeah.
is what it is. That why do these people still continue? Because it's something like in my own family, if I see somebody doing something wrong, and if I already have experience and I know how, if he does this, it can be so much better. I want to go teach them. That's what has happened to all these saints and sages. Say, oh my God, all these people, they are gods. And look how they are behaving. I want to go tell them. And like the talk that you sent me of that lady who had lost her left brain.
Yeah, right.
You saw, she literally started crying on the stage,
Jill
said,
Bell.
you guys, please connect to the universe because it's so beautiful.
See, her brother was schizophrenic, so she wanted to work with the brain. So she was a brain scientist. And then she knew her left brain is not working. When your left brain is not working, the language
She had a
goes away.
stroke.
She had a stroke. And so she phoned up her office, and then she was thinking no sound is coming out. It's like dog barking because you cannot recognize words. So her colleagues understood that she's having a stroke, so they immediately sent someone.
But the experience she had with just her right brain connecting to the universe,
Okay.
So
then she
was able to see
articulated that
oneness.
when she came back into her,
Okay.
when
When
her,
her
she
left
got it
brain
fixed.
stopped working, her right brain
Yeah.
was more dominant, and that connected her to the whole world.
Okay.
So then she's explaining this because these are the evidence that it does exist.
Like her
Because
hand
when
was
we just read
extending
the
into
book.
the space, like it was touching everything. Like she was merging with
Or
everything.
she thought that.
No, because
No, no.
thought, she experienced it.
She was
I've
experiencing
done
it.
You should. I'll send you that talk. I have.
Yeah, send her the talk. And then
Also,
the,
there's another one,
Murjani.
Anita Murjani. There's one lady,
Very
Anita
interesting,
Murjani.
yeah.
TED Talks, you listen to that. And she
yeah.
also sent a very nice video about Mandukya Upanishad, this word
Yeah.
prayer that we say. Who was the singer? Pandit Jasraj. Pandit Jasraj. का बहुत अच्छा है वो भी. The way he talks, this sings this prayer, the first one, Om Bhadrani.
Okay.
This one. Mandukya Upanishad by, what's his name? Pandit Jasraj.
Just
So you can see all that in the YouTube whenever
I
you have
think
a chance.
your version and her version
What was
of
the name of that lady?
Upanishad
Yes,
is the same, but hers is
because that's updated.